Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey, welcome back to Directly Mary. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a infant car seat properly. So that's the first part on installing a car seat. It straps the hook onto a belt behind the seat. And you sit here and tighten it up. Make sure the base don't move. So you pull it real good so it can be real tight. After that, you can lift up this part. So you gotta strap it 2 times. So you lift up this part. And you sit here and put the seatbelt to your car. You put it in between the belt. Buckle it up, you pull it, make sure it's real tight. After you do that, you clamp this right down. See here, make sure I twist it correctly. Make sure I buckle this back up. So now that's tight. It's secure. It's not moving. Put the car seat in there. And just go and buckle in. You're gonna hear a popping sound. That's how you can install an infant car seat. You see it don't move. It's nice and snug. No movements at all. Wait, lift it up. But then when you want to take the car seat out, you look on the back of the car seat, and it's a little lever right here for you to lift up. You lift it up, and pick up the car seat. I'm gonna put it back in. Snap. And this on how you can sit here and install an infant car seat. Stop in the way.